Hi and welcome back to another quick Camtasia tutorial. In this video you will learn how to save only audio from video in Camtasia Studio 9, of course. Don't forget that you have some useful free resources in the description, so be sure to check it out. Okay, let's start. Let's say that you have a video with a music on it already present when you import, and you just want to export audio from it. To do this, just go to Share and click Export Audio Only. You can choose your desired format and click Save. This is how you save only audio from video in Camtasia Studio 9. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe and make sure that you hit that bell icon so you know when the new video is out. Have a nice day and bye bye.